Did you know that increasing your productivity can bring you more time, more money, and more happiness? Do you have situations when you feel overwhelmed by the number of things you have to do? There's simply not enough time. You feel like you want to be in 10 different places at once. Now, it happens to all of us, including myself. What's the easiest solution? Simply work more, work harder? Well, not really. I learned that there is a huge difference between being busy for the sake of being busy and actually being productive. Just like there is a huge difference between handling all the minutiae and actually performing critical tasks that will bring you more results, more money, and more happiness. Not being productive is a waste of your life because the time you are wasting each day will never come back, and we tend to forget about it. The clock keeps ticking. However, what we don't consider is that sometimes wasted time can amount to years in the context of our entire lifetime. Think about it. Let's assume that you will live for another 50 years, saving only 2 hours a day by becoming more productive. It will essentially save you 4 full years of your life. Wasting time is and should be scary. Now, most people spend way too much time on handling unimportant tasks, constant distraction and interruptions, working for the work's sake without clear focus and solid goals, and worrying about things they can't control. And of course, most people don't know how to unplug and relax. However, how would it feel to become the embodiment of productivity? How would it feel to have this ability to identify and focus on the most important tasks? How would it feel to kill procrastination? And how would it feel to make more money without working more? My name is Jimmy Narain, and I'm the author of 2 successful Udemy courses that attracted almost 3,000 happy students and dozens of 5-star reviews. Now, if you take this course, I will tell you exactly what you need to do in order to become more productive and live a better life. And I don't claim to have all the answers because I don't. However, I'm going to show you proven tricks, strategies, and techniques that work. They worked for me and they worked for thousands of other people. Now, these strategies and this productivity mindset enables me to travel the world, to basically embrace my passions, learn new languages, live this exciting lifestyle, and run my business at the same time. Now, if you take this course, it is inevitable that you'll become more productive. Now, you might be wondering, how will I find time to implement the lessons from this course? Well, the good news is that I made this course extremely straightforward and applicable. Essentially, these videos will show you precisely what actions you need to take in order to get the results instantaneously. I've also included the audio version of each lecture so you can save them on your MP3 or your iPod and listen to them while performing some mechanical activities, or for example going for a walk or a jog. And by the way, this is the embodiment of time management in itself. Don't take my word for granted though. Preview the free lectures now and see the tremendous value of this course for yourself. Also, bear in mind that there is a 30-day hassle-free money-back guarantee, meaning that you can always change your mind. Now go ahead, take this course now, begin your transformation, and I'm very excited to see you on the other side.